Okay guys, today is Tuesday and the new animal company just now came out, and here's a little sneak peek. It's a lava update. It's gonna be crazy. So let's go and get into it. So what's first, I think there's gonna be some new items probably. Oh, even if your hands don't touch the lava, you still take damage. So, what's new up here? A sticky gun and make some music or real noises. Deep glowing stickers to mark your path and never lose your way. Pretty cool. So I could get both of these. Let's go. Oh, they didn't do the tech tree. Good. I need to check on what this is. iPad. What is the map device? I can't get both today though, but we should be able to get at least one. I've been playing this game for a while. I just got the map device. Now we got the camera. So camera take the maximum. So camera for ready? Cheese. Let's see. Nice. No head in the picture, but it's good. It's all good. No, it's not. Oh, it's this way. From here. I got 5 left. I'm going for the sticker thingy. Took a picture of a camera. Nice. Yeet. So if you guys want me to do a video on just grinding the tech tree, leave a comment down below. And I will. I might as well get this. I'll just grind for like a few weeks, and like 2 weeks, and then. But we just got the sticky gun, so let's go test it out. Here we go. Come on, up. Nice. Thank you. Okay, let's see what this thing is. It's in gadgets. Here's a sticker gun. $1,000. Oh. That's kind of crazy. If you guys want to know how I got so much money, it's the new lava map. I figured out how to dupe, which I'm not gonna say out loud because I don't want Animal Company to patch it. But yeah, it doesn't use anything. It's just a glitch, and it's not really a glitch. It's just a method for making them. But well. That's all for today. Well, I might as well do a little bit more. So I'm gonna do a tour of the mines. There's lava everywhere, dude. Is that a lava crystal? Is that actually a lava crystal? No way, they added lava crystals in here. Dude, where did these come from? Dude, this is crazy. They added actual stuff in here. If you guys want me to do a tour of the whole mines and the lava map and see what that looks like, I'll do it. If this video gets 3 likes, I'll do a tour of the lava map and see what it looks like now. Cause I really have no idea. And you can't touch the bottom because if any part of your body touches the lava, you take damage. It's not just your hands now. Changed it. But if you use pickaxes, no, not pickaxes. What are the little things that crossbows? If you use a crossbow and put stuff on, you can still mine all that. Well, I'm gonna go sell this. Then that's gonna be the video for today. Just a nice little quick short one. That was actually a sick grapple right though. Not gonna lie. You also can't use your lava to your advantage to do stuff. This isn't very many, but if you guys want me to fill up the whole machine with lava crystals, make sure to tell me if you want to. If you want me to. So just like normal. Well, that is going to be the video for today on the Animal Company. So, yeah. What am I supposed to say? Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so I can get to 50 subscribers before my cousin. So, because he'll pay me 5 cents. So, let's do it.